Heavy rains, gusty winds, waterlogged roads. Chennai and its suburbs are bracing for Cyclone Michuang. The cyclone is expected to make landfall between Nellore and Machilipatnam in southern Andhra Pradesh by Tuesday noon. But the rains that precede the landfall have brought Tamil Nadu's capital city down on its knees. Citizens could be seen wading through knee-deep water. Cars floated like boats on waterlogged stretch.
Water levels, just look at those cars. So you can imagine the kind of water levels that are there at this point in time. And this is the Chennai Corporation headquarters. So you can imagine the rest of the city as well, how flooded it must be. And that is what is the real concern at this point in time. There's just no respite from rains. It's been pounding heavily in Chennai and the neighboring districts of Chennai.
Water entered two government hospitals in Krompet area and Chennai, affecting healthcare services. Heavy downpour impacted traffic in the city. Operations at the Chennai International Airport were affected. Several flights were cancelled and many flights diverted. The Met Department has predicted heavy rains for Chennai and adjoining regions for 24 hours. The waterlogging has brought back memories of 2015 floods that crippled Chennai. The government has advised citizens to stay indoors. The National Disaster Response Force teams have been rushed to the landfall area. Over 21 teams are deployed to Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry. 8 teams are on standby. Over 18,000 police personnel are on the ground in Chennai. Medical response teams are on standby for any emergency.